Welcome to PES Video, featuring our capability for performing Fanuc Servo motor repair. Here at PES, we are able to provide a high-quality repair solution on Fanuc servo motors that is fast and economical. During the repair process, all electrical and mechanical components of the motor are thoroughly inspected and tested. Motor windings are surge and insulation tested for possible shorts or leakage. The feedback device is also tested for proper operation and accuracy of counts. The motor shaft, end bells, and magnets are carefully checked for damage, as are the housing, covers, connectors, and other mechanical components. All items found to be defective, damaged, or out of tolerance are replaced or repaired as necessary. When the motor is reassembled with new bearings and other parts, the feedback device is aligned per the manufacturer's specifications on our state-of-the-art equipment. The motor is then burned in during a run test and rechecked for proper alignment and feedback device accuracy. Finally, the motor undergoes a quality control inspection to ensure all relevant tests and procedures were performed as required before it is released for shipping. This attention to detail allows us to provide an all-inclusive warranty that covers the entire motor, not just what's repaired. PES also offers an expedited repair service for even faster turnaround when needed. Call or visit our website today to send in your Fanuc servo motor for repair or to find out about the many other great services we provide.